Hello, my name's Gabriel. We're here with JetSurf USA, and in today's video we're going to show you a couple of different components that you'll see inside your board. Starting off, here you have your gas tank, connection for your gas tank. It's a quick release connection, so you just click it in. You have your throttle body or carburetor. You have your starter, main gear. You have your cylinder head, injector. You have your spark plug inside there. You have your exhaust. You have your cooling system, both into the cylinder head as well as into the exhaust. You have your shaft back here, which if you move clockwise, it will engage. If you move counterclockwise, it won't engage. This will show a healthy sign. Now, over to the right, in this 2019 model, you have a light that will sensor between an hour with intervals of 20 minutes, going from green to yellow to violet. After that, we have the bilge pump. The bilge pump is located in the bottom part of your board. That's going to be your bilge pump right there. Now that water will be taken out by the bilge pump through this nozzle right here. And if you see on the right side of the board, right here, you have your water filtration system. Water will be coming out of here, very similar as to a jet ski. Healthy water flow will give you a signal that you have a healthy flow of water into your exhaust as well as into your cylinder head. Now that completes today's video. Thank you for reaching out. This is Gabriel. And reach out to us at JetSurf USA for any questions.